On a recent test, Jeremy wrote the following equation. Which of the following statement is correct about the question he wrote? It's always true, except when x equal to -6, so always true, sometimes true, always true, or never true. So we need to be able to solve it to determine which of those are the correct answer. Now there's two ways of solving it. If you want, you can place it over 1 and then just cross multiply, then solve for x. But I noticed that on the numerator, I can take a common factor, which will be a 6, and that should cancel with the denominator. So let's see, I'm going to factor out 6, and then what's left behind? We're going to have a x, and minus 6 will give me -36. That's 6 underneath, and we just have an x minus 9. I'm going to cancel that 6's. So now I just have a x minus 6 is equal to x minus 9. I'm going to move my x, solve for x, I'm going to move my x to the left, or you can just do minus x on both sides. Either way is fine. The x's cancel, so therefore I have a -6 equal to -9. Now whenever your x's or your y's cancel, whenever your variables cancel, then you need to evaluate the statement. Is that true or false? This is a false statement. So therefore it's never true. Now remember, if you plug in any numbers for x, a 5, a 4, a 3, it will never be equal to each other. That's whenever the x's or y's cancel. If it gives you a true statement, it's going to be always true. And remember to check whether you have an exception. An exception is whenever you have an x on the denominator. In this case, there's no x in the denominator, so we will not have an exception because x cannot be 0. So in this case, the answer will be D.